morning, everybody. RV Prepper is Wayne here. Today we're going to be changing a roof vent. We're going to be using the Cyclone roof vent. Sometimes when they open a window up and they're driving, they get the black tank smell. And they want to get rid of that. So what we're going to do is add a Cyclone to it, and that helps stop it. A lot of people have found out that just using the Cyclone, it stops that odor that's inside. Pretty easy to do. Here's the original one. All we basically got to do is pull that part off. I got to clean all around here to get to all the screws. And as you can tell, that's going to be fun. Okay, now we got the crap cap off. Now we have to clean all of this up, because this has to go in here. But I'm going to go ahead and clean everything up here. I've got my poly tape and my die core. That's not going to leak. A lot of people say, Wayne, don't use a metal scraper on the roof. If you're careful and know what you're doing, you're fine. You go real slow. You don't go slamming in it and getting it off. You just work real easy, and you can get it all the old stuff off. And then what we're going to do after I get everything there off, I'm going to use brake clean to clean the whole surface. That way all the old junk is off. It's a good clean surface for the tape and silicone to hold. Prep work is what makes a quality job. If you don't spend the time to clean something decent, your job will come out not as good, not as clean looking. And just a few minutes of cleaning can make a big difference on the way everything is. Now granted, I'm not cleaning 100% of every little speck, because that's going to be kind of hard to do on this the way this roof is. But I get a majority of it, and then with the brake clean, that'll help get the smaller stuff, and then it'll be good to start putting it back together. Okay. As you can tell, I got it all on now. Works great. Everywhere I pulled the other stuff off, I've got sealed. It's sealed underneath, sealed around, all around here. So there's not going to be any leaks whatsoever around here. And the biggest plus is they're not going to have that smell inside the RV anymore. That's how simple and easy that is. It's like 23, 24 bucks for a vent. And if it takes that black tank smell out, very well worth the money. Questions and comments, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, I hit that 10,000 mark. You could be the winner of a $50 Amazon gift card. Give me that thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video.